Hi everyone, I'm Irene Yu. I am the CEO and founder of the Skiplevel program and a software engineer and a mentor to product managers. And today I'm going to talk to you about why technical literacy for product managers is important, why it's not accessible for non-engineering roles today, and how you should approach improving your technical literacy. Technical literacy or technical fluency is one of the most important skills that a product manager can improve in order for you to feel more confident in your day-to-day work and also to gain influence and respect from your engineering teams, your peers, and your managers. So what is technical literacy? Technical literacy is your ability to assess, to acquire, and communicate technical information. Notice that nowhere in this definition does it mention coding. As a software engineer, I often have product managers tell me that they're taking a coding class in Python or C++ or JavaScript in order to become more technical. And I always tell them that that is not the right way to approach becoming more technical. There's a misconception in the industry that in order to be technical, you have to know how to code. But this is not true. Coding and technical literacy are actually two different skills. So if learning how to code is not the best way to become more technical, then what is? Why is technical literacy so inaccessible for non-engineering professionals? You've probably noticed that there's no shortage of technical information in the form of articles, blogs, books, and videos. You've probably also noticed that these resources are often filled with jargon and unexplained technical concepts to the point of confusion. The sheer amount of technical information out there is quite frankly overwhelming, and that makes it difficult to shift through what is and isn't important to know as a product manager or a non-engineering startup founder or just any non-engineering role, whether you're in customer success or sales or marketing. That's because the vast majority of technical information available is written with the engineer in mind, not for product managers and other non-engineering roles. Technical information as it exists today focuses diving deep into the technical how. And this makes sense for engineers since they need to know detailed specifics of how to build software. But as a product manager, you shouldn't be focused so much on the how. You should be more focused on the what and on the why. In other words, you want to focus on breadth of technical information instead of depth of technical information. The Skiplevel program aims to fill this technical literacy gap by tailoring technical knowledge to non-engineering roles and focusing on understanding core fundamentals in software and technology. Many people and courses out there teach you very specific technical details for the sake of teaching you technical details. But unless your role is very deep in a specific technical domain, you should instead be focusing on learning core technical concepts so that you know how to ask the right questions, aka how to ask well-informed questions. This is really important, because this means that no matter which technology you happen upon or which company you go to or which team you work with or which app you build with what technology, you will have a strong enough technical foundation to be able to ask better questions and figure it out for yourself. So learning technical information for the sake of memorizing technical detail is like just giving you a fish to eat, right? While teaching you core technical foundation and practicing the 4 technical skills of awareness of available technologies, evaluating technical trade-offs, ability to communicate technically, and understanding the software development lifecycle is like teaching you how to fish so you never go hungry. There's more about the 4 technical skills on Skiplevel's blog at skiplevel.co/blog.